Hello everyone, this is Sayyid and I'm here with another video. So in this video we will be talking about the WordPress plugin section, the installation of plugins and the use of plugins and how we can embed the plugins in our pages. And secondly, we will talk about the WooCommerce plugin, which gives the WordPress functionality to make our site cart or make our site e-commerce web. Okay, so here as you can see in this menu there is a menu item name plugins. We will go to the plugins and we will click on add new plugin. So depends on our use what kind of plugin we need to add. So for example, I will add contact form. So I need a form which will send me whenever a user come to my website contact page. So he can insert the query and I will receive his query message. So for that we use a plugin which is Contact Form 7. This is the most popular plugin in Contact Form series. So we can use it by install now button click. Okay, so it's installing. After the installation process, we need to click on activate plugin. As you can see here, so this plugin is installed. As you can see here, a tab named contact. So this is the whenever you install a plugin, most of the plugins have their section and it will appear in that menu in the left side. So as I install a contact form, so the contact section appears in the menu. So here you can create contact forms or you can access your dummy created contact forms. So most of the it's come with an example contact form. We can use that contact form by we can see what are the fields by click on edit contact form. So here we can see the fields section. So it has a name field, email, and a subject and a text message. So we we can now we need to insert that form in our page, or wherever we want to insert that form we need to copy this short code and paste it to our page or post anywhere we want to create a contact form. So we copy the short code. This is called the short code, the code in square brackets. Okay, so once we copy that, we need to configure the mail, which is here as for at codeino.com. You can set your default email to which email you will receive the response message. Okay, so and you can also customize the messages here, which your user will see on the form successful uh, entry and the failure entry of your contact form. Okay, so without any further delay we will go to the page section. We have a contact page over here, so we can edit our contact us page. There are two contact pages. We create another contact page in our last video, as we already have another page. For example, I added this contact page. Okay, as we know, we will go with Elementor. Click on edit Elementor. It's loading. So now we will be inserting the contact shortcode. Okay, here is already a form. I need to edit that. Uh, As you can see here, here this team is using another plugin. I need to insert my contact form, which I copy the shortcode. The shortcode I copied from there, I paste it simply. So you can see here the form will appear. Okay, so that's how you embed the plugins in your pages. I hope you got the idea to embed the pages, to embed the plugin in your in your WordPress pages. Okay, so we are done with plugin integration in your pages. Now we will go to the e-commerce section of the website. Okay. First we will see the website. When you activate the WooCommerce plugin, the cart section will appear on your website as you can see here. Okay. So here is the WooCommerce option and a product option in your menu. So when you activate the WooCommerce plugin, it will create two items in your menu. One is WooCommerce, where all the settings of your e-commerce setup, and the product item where you can add products and categories and tabs. Multiple things are here in product section. We will see one by one. Okay, first we need to configure our WooCommerce by going in the settings. It's loading. Okay, so here you can add your address and you can set the currency, the position of your currency, and click on save. That will save the settings. These are the journal settings. So after that you will go to the payments. You can set there the payments gateway, how your user will pay. Okay, so right now we will be activating on cash on delivery only. Okay, click on save changes. So the cash on delivery payment method is activated. So whenever user check out on our website, so he will see that he will only see that cash on delivery because it's the only one enabled here. Okay, so here are multiple options, but we need only this payment option, gateway option. We will enable it. Here you can see accounts and privacy. You can see, you can configure guest checkout, account creation, account ensure request, privacy policy, and the stuff here with respect to your needs. Okay, here you can manage the email templates, the email response which your user get. Okay, here you can configure the email addresses and email body also. Okay, here you can see the integration tab. In the integration tab, there are license key, which if you want to integrate maximize geolocation feature, so there is no need for that right now. Here you can configure the cart pages When we install that plugin, it will automatically create the cart page and checkout page and my account page. So there is no need to configure those pages. Okay, so if you have any terms and condition page you want to configure, you can select by here. Right now we don't have any. We have a privacy policy, so we can select that. Okay, click on save changes. So all done for the configuration. So now we will see our payment method as we configure the cash on delivery method. Okay, we go to the plants. Here we can see our products. Okay, click on add to cart. Here we will click on checkout. Here you can see the cash on delivery payment method. Okay, so it will go with standard checkout. Okay, so another thing, now we need to create a page with multiple products. So first we need to add a product by going to product section, click on add new product. We say product plant 1 and we set the description and we set the category plants. Okay, so it's a simple product. In simple product you enter this simple price. Okay, now here we can manage. If you check manage stock, it will maintain the inventory for that product. So you need to purchase that product, and thus you need to insert the stock for that product, and the inventory will maintain whenever purchase someone purchase your product. Okay, so we'll leave that inventory. Okay, is there any shipping class you want to apply? You can create shipping class in WooCommerce. So is so if you have any specific rate for that for some regions, so you can create a shipping class and apply the rates by selecting here the shipping class. Okay, we have the attributes here because we can add custom attributes like if a product have length feature, if 10 millimeter length have $10 and 20 millimeter length have $20. So we can create a variable product by using attributes. But for now we will create a simple product. We don't need to go into details for that. Okay, so we need to set the image for here. Okay, here we are selecting this. Okay, we are not adding the gallery images. Just need to make things simple. Click on publish. As we can select the category plants, so it will go in the plant category. Okay, so here is the page. We can see our product here, which is with the amount we set it here. Okay, that's how we add products in our WordPress e-commerce section. Now, as you can see, here is a plant page. We need to add a cactus page. So it's already here, cactus page. Okay. So how we can embed the whole category in our WordPress page? So for that we need to edit that. For that we need to go to dashboard. We need to go to menu, and here we can select the categories. Here there are no WooCommerce categories showing. We can go to screen options. Okay, you can check product categories. So here are the product categories we see. So we can simply add plant and cactus and add it to our menu. So they will appear here, and it goes in our menu by this process. Okay, that's how we add the products in our pages. Now if you want to add some slideshow on the home page, to add the product, we can simply insert text editor here, and in the text editor we will set the shortcode. Okay, here we set the limit to 8 and columns for visibility featured. Okay, so once we save that, we will see the products here. Okay, here you can see the products with the limit of 8 products. So if the products are greater than 10, only 8 products will appear here. Okay, that's all for today. We we add the products in the pages. We learn to install plugins in our WordPress website, and we also learn to configure WooCommerce plugin, which gives our website e-commerce functionality. Okay, so that's all for WordPress. We have 3 sessions of WordPress. Okay, so please like and subscribe on my channel and spread the videos. So I will create more videos on different topics and different technologies. So, and also give your suggestion in comment section below. So what are the frameworks and technologies I need to discover in my channel? So I will work on that and give you the more training sessions on those topics. Okay, so that's all for today. Stay blessed. Cheers.